In the Greek mythology, who is the king of the gods?
Zeus.
Hey, this is a setup.
Like on the setup.
You guys set me up.
Vast knowledge.
What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
What is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah. Dole ne hanzari nema cheetah. And I'm not a cheetah.
What is the name of the fictional wizard school in the Harry Potter series?
What? In that hot.
Gaskiya ban sani ba.
Hogwarts.
Ina.
Wallahi na kama hanya wallahi.
Daga baya kenan. To ya zan dauka ne saboda
Which country is known as the rising sun?
Japan.
Nami-chan.
What is the hardest natural substance on the planet?
Rock.
Diamond.
Shit! To I'm a rock ne shi ma. Last one I'm one.
To be specific, I diamond ne.
Diamond is a rock now.
To be specific, I.
Gaskiya kai oh.
Last Nigerian to win a Grammy.
Mene?
Thames.
Ta ina zan iya sanin wannan question kai ma ban da jahili yake.
Which country won the FIFA World Cup 2020?
Argentina. France.
Argentina.
France.
Argentina ne.
Na sha na bayan ne ai.
Sun, whereby plants use sun.
Photosynthesis.
Amma za a bi magana gaskiya fa ba a gama yin question. Wallahi ba a gama yin question.
Raji, I want question da.
What is the largest mammal in the world?
Whale. Allah ya yi.
Allah ya yi. Mutane whale ne fa na ga musu ba kifi bane. Ba amphibian bane.
Okay, haba. No big adus be this. Come bother, you know, for cash out for. Wanna turn over, wonderwise.